Aspartame is so poisonous that it's a multipotential carcinogen. Dr. Siffredi in Italy did 3 studies showing that it causes kidney cancer, liver cancer, lung cancer, breast cancer, and then if the baby survives, because it causes birth defects, they can grow up and have cancer.
To their immune system. We know that our thoughts affect our DNA, right? Think happy thoughts, your DNA relaxes and is more effective. Think angry, fearful thoughts, then your DNA contracts and certain genes are turned off and it leads to dis-ease. But the emotional connection to cancer is huge. We know that anywhere from Cancer is basically cells that have a DNA damage. They've gone rogue, they've escaped the vigilance of the immune system, and they've created their own little community. Cancer cells are really smart. Number one, they stop communicating with other healthy cells. Number two is that they create their own blood flow so they can gain all kinds of nutrients. Number three, they create an enzyme called nagalase that actually puts your immune system to sleep. And number four, they secrete a protein called survivin that keeps them from going through the natural cycle of birth through death.
So if they have prostate cancer, they think it's a problem with the prostate. If there's breast cancer, a problem with the breast, but really it's an immune system issue. And so naturally, our body we're always producing abnormal cells. Every single day, it's a product of metabolism. This is part of every single one of us, our normal physiology. And so we're all developing these abnormal cells. However, our immune system naturally hunts them out and destroys them before they are able to grow out of control. However, somebody that has cancer, their immune system is weakened, and their immune system is unable to identify these abnormal growths. And so over time, the abnormal growths are able to grow and grow and grow without being checked. And so over time, the tumor size gets larger and larger and larger until finally it starts to really fully disrupt physiology to where they may have symptoms. They may notice certain growths, certain blood tests may show elevated biomarkers. You may be able to see it on something like a mammogram or something like that, or an X-ray. But that's literally 10 to 15 years down the road of development at a minimum. So cancer is really an immune deficiency that's been going on for an extended period of time, and it's allowed these abnormal growths to grow and expand unchecked.